So hello guys, welcome to Manwar Education. So this video is all about my motivation only. Bombay Teachers Training College, that is BTTC, St. Xavier's, KJ Somaya. Yes guys, because approximately 40 plus days are remaining for your examination, and guys, you need motivation for your exam preparation. So how you will get motivation? Okay, after watching this video you will be fully motivated, because आपका जब एग्ज़ाम होगा एंड इफ़ यू विल गेट good score, then you will get admission into top colleges, and benefits of top colleges we will see in this video, such as BTTC, St. Xavier's, KJ Somaya. But before we start ahead, we have launched the crash course batches for Maharashtra B.Ed CET as well as ELCET year 2022. So in this batches the curriculum will be e-books आपको provide की जाएगी, books are also there, handouts are there for the practice test series, topic test, mock test will be there, recorded video will be there, actual CET level full length mock test, because हमारे जो फैकल्टीज़ है वो हर साल CET का एग्ज़ाम लिखते हैं एंड दे नो व्हाट इज़ द ट्रेंड ऑफ CET एग्जामिनेशन, स्पेशली B.Ed CET. सो उस लेवल का आपको मॉक टेस्ट मिलेगा. पास्ट ईयर पेपर एनालिसिस आर ऑल्सो देयर. ओके, मेंटरशिप गाइडेंस, देर विल बी वन मेंटर, कैप एडमिशन प्रोसेस, सेंट्रलाइज एडमिशन प्रोसेस जो होता है उसमें आपको अगर आपका स्कोर एवरेज आ रहा है या लो आ रहा है या फिर हाई स्कोर आ रहा है, तो विच आर द कॉलेजेस यू शुड सिलेक्ट, व्हाट आर द डॉक्यूमेंट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड, all these things will be taken care of by us. Okay, mock taking strategy and many more things are there in our crash course batches. Okay, so what are you waiting guys? Book your seat now. Call on 8828581455. You can also visit to our website manvarready.com/B.Ed entrance. So इस crash course batch का program link जो है we have given into the description. You can join this crash course batch. So let us start guys. So benefit of top college. So very first benefit is they have very good infrastructure. If we talk about in the infrastructure, college building, library facility, hostel facility, canteen and other facilities are well maintained and well developed in the top B.Ed colleges. If you go to Bombay Teachers Training College, or if you go to St. Xavier's, KJ Somaya, Gandhi Shikshan Bhavan, SNDT, ये सारे जो भी टॉप कॉलेजेस है दे हैव वेरी गुड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. सो यू विल लव विथ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. आफ्टर दिस सेकेंड थिंग इज फैकल्टी मेंबर्स. येस, इन द टॉप कॉलेजेस वेल एक्सपीरियंस क्वालिफाइड स्टाफ will be there who will properly guide you and they will shape your teaching career. So in top colleges you will get great faculty members. So this is another benefit of top colleges. Now extra skill oriented courses. If I talk about lower graded colleges जिनके grades कम है, so you will not find skill oriented courses in those colleges because उनका करिकुलम ही उनको पढ़ाने में इतना टाइम लग जाता है. सो दे डोंट हैव एक्स्ट्रा स्किल ओरिएंटेड. बट इन द टॉप कॉलेजेस everything is organized, everything is channelized. So you know they have started with skill oriented courses, because what kind of a extra thing you will get from their colleges they will teach you. And courses like they have add-on courses, certificate courses, and if I talk about courses, then yoga courses, creative craft, integrated technology education, and other courses are also there in the top B.Ed colleges. Okay, now next is higher education programs like MEd, MA in education, PhD. These all programs you will see in the top B.Ed colleges. If you talk about low graded colleges, you will see only B.Ed program, but higher education program में अगर आपको pursue करना है, so you will get in top B.Ed colleges. And अगर आप सेम कॉलेज से परस्यू कर रहे हैं, सो यू विल बी कॉल्ड एज इन हाउस स्टूडेंट. सो आपको प्रेफरेंस पहले दिया जाएगा ऑन दी अदर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, सो हायर एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम भी आप टॉप B.Ed कॉलेज से परस्यू कर सकते हो. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज लेस फीस. मोस्ट ऑफ द top colleges are aided colleges, that is nothing but government college. Okay, and government college का benefit ये है कि government college में फीस कम होता है, स्पेशली ट्यूशन फीस जो हाई होता है, बट गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में ट्यूशन फीस कम होता है, जिसकी वजह से आपका जो फीस है वो बहुत कम होता है. ओके, नाउ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेसमेंट्स. अल्टीमेटली वी आर गिविंग द B.Ed CET examination and we are trying to get admission in top B.Ed colleges. Why? Because of placement. Ultimate goal is placements. Okay, 15 plus school, that is private as well as government school, they come to these top colleges and they recruit the B.Ed student with a average salary of 30k. Okay, 30,000 सैलरी स्टूडेंट्स को ऑफर की जाती है, विच इज़ अ प्रिटी गुड सैलरी. So guys, these are the benefit of top B.Ed colleges. You need to prepare well to get admission in top B.Ed colleges. So these are the benefit. Think about all these benefit and prepare very well for your examination. And if you want preparation, if you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching also at Borivali, Vasai and Dadar. You can also visit to our website. Okay, you can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. You can also subscribe to our new YouTube channel, which is very specific for B.Ed entrance. Okay, all the program link, live class, mock test, books I have given into the description, so do check the description box. That's all in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.